This hotel is the crown jewel of Apalachicola, about 65 miles east of Panama City, Florida. The Gibson Inn, originally called the Franklin, dates back to 1907 when the city was a leader in the lumber and shipping industries. At the time, it was one of the most luxurious hotels in the Panhandle and the only one between Jacksonville and Pensacola heated entirely by steam. More than 100 years later, the hotel entered an exciting new chapter after a meticulous restoration helped turn it into an acclaimed southern stay. The lobby has dark wood, cozy leather couches, and some really interesting art pieces to admire everywhere you look, from the walls to the ceiling. Down the hall, you'll find a billiards room where guests can play under the watchful eye of Jean-Pierre, an 11-foot taxidermied alligator who has become a beloved fixture. There are more than 40 rooms, all individually decorated across multiple buildings. The captain's room, room 309 in the original building, is one of the most popular. Rumor has it a legendary sea captain stayed here and even passed away in the room in the 1920s. And some say he still haunts it and is a very organized presence. So if your shoes are straightened up when you wake up in the morning, perhaps it's the work of the captain. The room is also popular because it has beautiful views of downtown and the John Gorey Bridge. Plus, the floor-to-ceiling marble in the bathroom is a luxe touch. Guests staying on the second floor can easily access the iconic wraparound porch, but the rocking chairs are open to everyone staying at the hotel who wants to enjoy the breeze off the bay. In addition to the main building, guests can also book a room in the Buck House, the former home of the hotel's original developer, James Fulton Buck. As soon as you step inside, the decor will take your breath away. My favorite part was the nautical maps on the ceiling. The library and parlor are decked out in the Gibson signature new Old Florida style. The rooms in the Buck House are equally as special and have extra large marble bathrooms. On your visit, you'll see the latest additions to the Gibson Inn, including more than 20 new rooms, a pool, and an elevator, but it wasn't open when I was there. While the hotel is in a walkable part of downtown Apalachicola, there are some fun ways to explore. You can rent a complimentary bike and pedal through the streets, or cover even more ground in a Gibson Inn golf cart. I especially love checking out the local neighborhoods. And for the ultimate VIP experience, you can even ride in the Gibson's Bentley around town. Apalachicola is known as the oyster capital of the world, and there are plenty of places to sample the local fare, but be sure to save room for the Franklin Cafe, known affectionately as Apalachicola's unofficial living room. And at the parlor bar, you'll often find a mix of locals and visitors. All of it adds up to one of the most memorable stays in Florida's Panhandle. Check the caption for more information about the Gibson Inn. This is one of more than 20 historic hotels I've stayed at across Florida. Be sure to hit subscribe to get ideas for your next getaway.